Science students, in today's investigation, you are going to be comparing the properties and phase changes of two compounds, dry ice and water or solid ice, and you will be using your comparisons to discover if all substances change phases in the same manner, which is our focus question for today. In this investigation, you will be performing these 5 tasks of the water portion of the investigation on your own in class, but due to school safety regulations, the use of dry ice is not allowed in class. So you will be observing the investigation of the dry ice portion of the 5 tasks through this video. And you can pause, rewind, and fast forward, and take a closer look at the video portions of each task as you proceed through the investigation. Now, a few things about dry ice that you should be aware of. Dry ice is actually the solid form of carbon dioxide. Now, carbon dioxide is very common. It's one of the main ingredients in the mixture of air. It is what we exhale when we breathe, and it's what plants use to photosynthesize. It's also found in the bubbles in your soda. And one of the unique things about dry ice is it's very, very, very cold. It exists at a temperature of about negative 109 degrees Fahrenheit or 78 degrees Celsius. Or negative 78 degrees Celsius. So it's extremely cold and very useful when you want to keep something cold for a long period of time. But due to its really, really cold nature, we have to follow some safety precautions when we're handling dry ice. First of all, we want to protect our skin. We're going to wear insulated gloves and a lab coat to make sure we protect our skin from coming into contact with the dry ice. As well as I'm going to wear my safety glasses to make sure that if any stray pieces of dry ice break off, they don't land in my eye. Safety precaution you want to consider when handling dry ice is you want to be in a well-ventilated area. And a well-ventilated area is an area where air can come in and out freely. So you can get fresh air in and out freely. I'm working outside today. That way I can have fresh air moving about me as I handle the dry ice. And I want you to think about how being in a well-ventilated area might be important while you're handling dry ice.